So, kumusta? How are you?
I'm good. I'm feeling so happy right now.
How's the experience so far with the charity day? Kasi kasama nyo bata, parang there's no reason for you to compete but to think of having fun only.
I know. Alam mo ba, uh, well, tawag
Habang nag-go-kart kayo or
yeah. While touring this kids around here in Festival Carnival, yung nararamdaman ko lang is pure happiness and yung gusto ko lang talaga is mabigyan sila ng smile. Yung genuine smile na makita ko yun sa face nila and yun yung ginagawa ko right now. And I'm so happy na mukha namang masaya si Althea. Medyo pagod na siya pero marami pa kaming gagawin.
There. How does it feel na at least for one day, walang competition nagaganap, kundi you're just here to have fun?
To be honest, like, ever since the Binibining Pilipinas journey starts, talagang, I don't kind of feel that competition. But rather, it's a sisterhood talaga. Like, every girls are just helping one another. Like, ako kanina yung strap ko nakalitaw and then one girl told me na, babe, alam mo yun, looking out for each other. So I think that's very nice. And today, syempre, having fun lang. Parang, kids again in a way. So that's really good to happen. Yeah.
Okay. So because Binibining Pilipinas is a charity organization, do you feel na yung mga ganitong mga activities is something that you would enjoy if in case na manalo ka as Binibining Philippines, one of the Binibining Filipinos wins this year?
Definitely, yes. You know, as a kid, I wasn't able to experience this kind of having fun as a kid kasi nga I came from unfortunate family. So like it's in a way giving me or providing me that experience that I wasn't able to get when I was a kid. So of course I will have fun.
Thank you, Myrna, and enjoy.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, I'm Binibining Mira Korean. So this is Mira and you're 34 from Tarlac Province.
Hi everyone, I am Diana Joy, Mia's family, Binibining 31 from the district.
Number 10, 10 from the province.
Okay, can you tell something about yourself?
I'm a 13 professor from I'm also so lucky to be part of the Pilipinas Bachelor for the anniversary and I'm very happy that I'm part of the Fiesta Carnival. Once I had to entertain to help these children, so kindness goes a long way. What's the question?
Say something about the event today and how it's important for you. Yeah.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Diana from and I'm really excited today because helping children has been a part of my life for 6 years already. As a nurse, I love to be nurse, even before the pageant. So, as a beauty queen, I would want to bring this aspect on the national level to help not just the kids, but also everyone in the community. We can get everyone to be strong and help one another and lead a greater world where everyone will be happy.
Okay, thank you. Tala? Same question.
Hi everyone, I'm Tala again. So I think it's very important. I mean, this event, this fest, because we get to get the glimpse and also the knowledge that kids also have the right to like enjoy life. So this Binibini charity event is such a fulfilling for us that we are able to get to experience with the people and get to know them as well. So yeah, it's very important that we get together and that's what I do. Get it's part of our law that we have the responsibility to at least show the children that they can play. So if you are hoping and if you want to get to have fun, just go here at Carnival Festival.
Enjoying so far the Binibining Pilipinas Charity Day?
Yes, it's actually a really good day. It's my first time doing a charity event under Binibini. And it's very different because we actually get to engage with the kids and it's really cool so far.
And it also is like you're a kid again. right?
Exactly. So I didn't think that we were going to engage this much with them. We actually get to play the games.
Yes.
Almost relive
Yeah.
how we were whenever we were also kids. And so this is our ultimate excuse to embody our inner child.
Yeah. And it's also one of the activities where it's not a competition.
Not at all.
Yeah.
This is just something where it's a community outreach.
Yeah.
We basically can enjoy as much as possible, not just with the kids, but with each other and our fellow candidates.
Yeah. And so far, what's your recommendation among the rides here?
My recommendation,
Yeah. Which ride do you enjoyed most?
actually, it's not the ride. It's actually the games.
Okay.
So the ring tosses.
Yes.
And after this, I want to play basketball.
Okay, the basketball area is over there. Thank you, Lizelle.
Thank you.
Ayan. So this is the ring toss that Lizelle was talking about. Ito yung area na ang kalapit is actually the basketball area over in that side. Okay, so there you are. You can see Lizelle and her kid and her partner kid over here enjoying the toss. And that is Kim. Hi, Kim! Yeah. Hi, Kim! Kumusta? So, how's the day so far?
So, first of all, ano oras na ba? Good morning pa rin, everyone. So, today was really fun. It's the perfect time to enjoy. Wala kaming masyadong gagawin. Just having fun with the kids. And of course, super hyper nila and nakakapagod din. It's super fun and ang sarap na feeling na they would just wanna have fun and just play and then mapanood ng mga toys. So, ang saya. This day is super fun. Actually, this is for two of our charity events. Yesterday, we went World Vision Day. So, for today, just having fun with the kids.
Ayan. Okay. Sige. Go ahead, Kim. Thank you. Ayan. Oh, kumusta, Trisha?
Hi, Sir Jason. I'm doing great. Today, we actually have our charity event. Through partnership with the Binibining Pilipinas Exam Hope Organization, we get to interact with the underprivileged children. So, each Binibini has a partner, one child. So, wala kami magagawin kundi maglaro dito, i-experience sa kanila kung paano maging bata.
Ayan. How is it different this year versus last year?
So, last batch year is very special to me and a lot of my sisters, but last year, sobrang supportive nila of my journey. But this year is really something special, I gotta say. It's 60th year and we got to experience a lot of things na hindi ko na-experience last year. So, maraming mga bagay na binibigay sa amin ng bago ang Binibining Pilipinas. Also, napakaraming event na exciting. So, ayun ang ating abangan.
Ayan. So, can you invite your yung mga followers natin on Sashes and Scripts to follow you on your social media? Ayan.
Hi everyone, to all the Sashes and Scripts fans. So I am Trisha Martinez. Please follow me on my Instagram account at Trisha Martinez _ and also on my Facebook, Trisha Martinez.
Ayan. Salamat, Trisha!
Hi, I'm Faye Sandeo Banimo representing Batangas Province. One thing about myself is that, of course, I am representing Batangas Province, but also I am also an advocate for indigenous children and their education. So this is very relevant now kasi I'm also having fun with the children and hopefully I will use this platform to advocate for my education. And yeah, so far, Binibining Pilipinas is so fun and I'm really grateful that I'm having this experience, especially the sisterhood that I'm having with my Binibining Pilipinas sisters, and hopefully I get to enjoy more activities like this charity event, which is very close to my heart, and yeah, I hope you all get to enjoy what we're having right now as well. Thank you!
Thank you! Hello, Phoebe. So we're here today with the Binibining Pilipinas Charity Day. So are you enjoying so far yung experience?
Yes, I am actually. I've been looking forward to our charity event. And this one is the most fun so far. I actually love being a kid. It's like being a queen. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the day.
So, so far, what's your best recommendation among the rides and the games that you've tried here?
Actually, the game I recommend is the ring toss. It looks easy, but it's incredibly hard. But surprisingly, my kid is very talented, and we won a prize. So I recommend that.
Ayan. So, Cebu always brings some of the best girls, and there's always as a one a winner in Binibini Pilipinas. So, how do you feel that baka may pressure sa'yo ngayon na, you know, to represent Cebu in an international competition?
I am feeling a little bit of pressure, but I'm also filled with confidence, knowing I come from Cebu and I have joined many previous pageants. I am pretty sure I have gone through enough. And I am training my passerella and UNA as well. So I'm all 100% for this competition.
Ayan. And another thing, because today is a fun day, you don't feel any like competition at all, so everybody's relaxed. How do you feel about the day as it's a focused day on charity and on kids?
Yeah, to me there is, the competition is always going. You know, we have to be at our best, prim and proper. But everyone here is just having fun. We are all here for the children and not only for ourselves. So I'm happy to be sharing this experience with my kid, who's very hungry.
Ayan,
It's almost lunchtime.
Okay, thank you, Phoebe.
Thank you so much.
Ayan.